I'm here at WoodEx at the BPM Toolcraft stand, and Itu is going to show us how to operate this pony work table.
I'm Itu from Vermont, so you'll see today we have a pony workstation that we're working with. So you'll see just on the sides there you have the easy access where you can just drop the top and then you can turn your workstation into a workhorse if you have a piece of wood to cut. So for example, if I had that and then I needed to cut just that little piece, and then I can use that. And you'll notice again on the, okay, if I tuck that in, that's how you open it. And then you'll see also it's got a level setting, so depending on how tall or short you are, you can drop the size of the table to suit your height. Okay, there. So for someone that's got a drop suspension like me, I can use that. And then it's also got a storage space for your clamps. So it comes with 2 clamps. So if you look at the table there, so you can store both your clamps there. And then if you close the table, you can keep your clamps on the table while it's closed. So you'll see it's got storage for your clamps there. So it comes with 2, and you get 2 bench dogs worth as well. Let's get that opened. Okay, open. So bench dogs are designed to be a straight edge on your piece of wood. So what's nice with this table is you'll see even with the clamps that's stored there can also be inserted into the table. So if I take that off, slide that back, and then I can slide this in, and then you'll see there's a lock in the front, and then you kick that in and then it locks into place. So if you have a piece of wood that needs to be clamped or moved back, so you can use that. Hey, come. And you can clamp that down, and then so obviously if you need to straighten it out, you can use that to clamp it. And yeah, so if you're sanding or planing, that's a table for you. And lightweight,